Hello YouTube, welcome to the next Inktober from 2020. This time it's gonna be day 5 and day 6. Day 5 is from my list, Blade, and from from my list it's Warrior, and from the official Inktober list it's Blade. Day 6 was Rodent from the official Inktober list, and my list was Grim Reaper, so I thought I would pair them because I had to think about think of Terry Pratchett when I saw it, but in the end it just looks totally different. Yeah, we do have a warrior here. Yeah, I'm not sure about the pose, something's off here, and I'm not used to draw dynamic poses. I have to really, I guess I have to practice a lot more drawing dynamic movements and poses, and I'm sorry if my head is in the picture a lot of the time. I still don't know how to film it without my head being shown, and what I do often is I wet the surface or the paper, and then I drizzle some sea salt on it, and then it makes, or it creates some interesting effects. If you want to make the background more intriguing, and if you don't want to think about, I don't know, a real background, like let's say a forest or a city or something, that's sometimes kind of an excuse that I use. I just put some salt there, and then it looks more intriguing than without it, and with just a plain gray background, I think. This warrior is actually inspired by the, I'm not sure anymore, perhaps it was Inca or Maya culture. Of course, their clothing is much different, and it's not this simple. Yeah, but I really didn't want to draw a complicated dress or a complicated armor, because in Inktober you have to finish one drawing per day, and I was really behind already, and yeah, I didn't want to make it too complicated. That's also why most of the pictures or the paintings don't have backgrounds. Yeah, and I even didn't tell you the size of it. So last year my Inktobers were A4, and this year it's A6, I think. Yeah, here I drew on the markings on the body, or the body painting, with a white gel liner. That's a good thing to use when you use ink, because you can highlight, obviously, and just make some details pop when you forget to leave the space white and you paint over it. Then you can easily go over with it with the white gel pen. There we start with Grim Reaper and Rodent, and I decided it to be a little teenage boy. He looks kind of emo or goth, and I really love him. He was so easy. He was one of the quickest drawings of the series, and I don't know, sometimes it just flows, and then you draw, and you have a full drawing even before you even noticed that you did, if that makes sense. Yeah, and I did draw a rodent on his lap. I think it's a mouse or it's a rat, I'm not sure. I think it's a little too big for a mouse, so I guess it's a rat. If you didn't watch the other videos of this series yet, please go ahead and do so, because I explain a lot more in those, especially the first one, what the idea behind the whole series was, and yeah. As a quick reminder, I thought about drawing my own Inktober list, and then I combined it with the official Inktober list from Jake Parker. And yeah, I wanted to draw mythological creatures this time, so that's what I went for. And then I paired them obviously with the other Inktober list, and I thought about which words would match and the best, and then I went ahead and just painted it and drew it, and it was so stressful again. I'm not sure how people do it. If you do have kind of, I don't know, secret to how you achieve an Inktober painting every day, then please tell me, because I'm obviously not capable of doing so. For next year, or for this year actually, I think about just drawing perhaps one piece per week, but therefore focus a lot more on character design. That's what I love to do the most, and perhaps just draw a headshot or just to the shoulders or something like that, because actually I like painting faces the most, and it was really difficult because at such a small size you can't really go in with the details, and yeah. Okay, my head is in the screen again. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.